In this video, we're going to review DeepSeek Chimera. DeepSeek Chimera is a powerful open-source AI model that combines the strengths of both code and language models. It's designed to handle complex programming tasks and natural language questions in one place, making it super useful for developers, researchers, and AI enthusiasts. Think of it as a smart assistant that can explain code, write scripts, answer technical questions, and even help with writing or learning. Chimera blends two models, one trained mainly for language and the other for code, so it performs well in both areas. This makes it great for things like debugging, writing functions, translating between programming languages, or explaining how something works. It's especially helpful when your task needs both strong language understanding and coding skills. You can run it locally or access it through platforms that support open models. Performance is fast and accurate, especially for tasks like writing Python, JavaScript, or solving algorithm problems. It understands context well and often gives cleaner, more useful answers than single-purpose models. Being open source, it's free to use and great for developers who like control and transparency. The community around DeepSeek is growing, and updates keep improving its capabilities. Setup may require some technical knowledge, but once it's running, it's smooth. Overall, DeepSeek Chimera is an impressive multitasker, smart, reliable, and built to bridge the gap between natural language and code understanding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.